Sanibonani weMaswati. Into engifuna ukuyisho kunini ukuthi wonke umuntu ngizalelwe eSwazini mina. Ikhaya lakithi likhona laphayana. And kubuhlungu ukubona abantu befa belimala ngendlela abalimala ngayo. Kungekho nento ongayenza uwedwa. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi uma kungake kuhlangane wonke umuntu ebekhona lapho kuliwa kanjani sometimes nama-strategies ayafuneka. You cannot wait ukubona ukuthi omunye umuntu uzoshigadla kanjani kuyima ucabanga wena ukuthi kumele wenze njani. This guy ke usmart. He will capitalize on your poverty. Ukulamba uzokusebenzisa ukuthi kumsebenzele. Ingakho sebakhipha ama-post wamaphoyisa. Akuwona ama-post. They're not trying to recruit any police, or even though they want to. Abakaze bakhipha ama-post kanje, behlezi bakhipha ama-post bazi ukuthi bayoqasha obani. Nina the only thing abayifuna kunini ukuthi benidunge. Bathatha abanye babathembise ukuthi sokubiza. Kodwa ufune ukubonakala ke wena usesitelekeni. Bazolokhu ben-divide. I'm telling you, before you know it, you will all be thinking ukuthi niyoqasha amaphoyiseni. And you will start ukuthi you will retreat. Most of those laba bazobabizile bazobehlehlele emuva manje bethi hayi mina ngisayi. Ngoba kumelanga ngibonakale kuma-video wakuma-strike ngoba ngahle ngiluza ithuba lomsebenzi. Ucapitalize ekuthenini silambile sabantu. He will use that. Don't you dare think ukuthi they looking for police. They are not. They just playing a strategy. Ukuthi benenze nini and believe ukuthi he wants to hire people. He wants to be the great man on earth. He wants to show love to you. No, he doesn't want to show love. Even lento ye dialogue akayifuni lo mjida. Uyoyenziswa ukuthi abanye abantu abangaphandle bam-advisile ukuthi uyazini kuze wine lento. You have to be strategic and play along. Pretend you care about them. Pretend you want to talk to them. But as long as you know that when you get there, you will bully them. Uzobashaya, uzobahlukumeza, uzobabulala, uzokwenza yonke into. Because that guy urula i-country ne-iron fist. Ufuna ukushaya abantu, ebulala abantu enzeni kuze sabisa abanye. So bawethu le amjita lawyer, the only thing he knows in his life is to be a king. Ayikho enye into ayaziyo. And trust me, with that being said, he will not let go. Angeke azavume. He will fight until almost he die before he can let go. So bakwethu asingakhohlisanini. Le amaphoyisa yani khohlwana yikho leyo nto le. Shiya leyo nto, khipha leyo nto engqondweni yakhe. Ayikho nhlobo. Akho phoyisa lizoqashwa la. Kudlalwa ngani ukuthi lokhu nihamba niya lapha niyotheke. Uyabona umuntu mayekwazi ukuthi ulambile nesoka malazi ukuthi intombi iyahlupheka kubo la ibuya khona, uhlukumeza ngendlela aziyo ukuthi egcineni uzokufuna iplate lokudla kuyena. Iyona lento abamba ngayo manje. The only thing ayisebenzisayo njengamanje iyona leyo ukuthi uyazi ukuthi isizwe silambile. Mayephonsa umbila phezulu kuyokujampa bonke abantu bekhohle ukuthi bayizitha zakhe beze abese efaka ama-conditions wakhe ukuthi uma ufuna lesi siqonga sombila ke now ama-conditions wami, you will not do 1 2 3. And before you know it, uzoba convince the entire nation. Athatha amagama akhe, athathe konke kwakhe ekuthembise ukuthi uzawubizwa ngenyanga ezayo. Within that 5 months ayibekile, before nifika laphayana kuyiwe esibayeni kuyobe bonke abantu sebavumelana naye. Don't you think lento le is a strategy? He knows ukuthi at the end of the day, before kufika uDecember, kufika uJanuary, bantu kuyiwa le after kuphelele incwala yakhona nayo yonke lento lena, akekho nomunye ozobe sefuna ukukhuluma against him. Then he will call his buyer. Then mafia esibayeni bonke bavumelana because they think bayosebenza emaphoyiseni. Emva kwaloko, emva kokusayinwa yonke into, makuphunywa lapho niyobuyela niyohlupheka again. Vukani bawethu, vukani, ilwani. Nathi siyalwa, nathi siyazama ukuthi esikhona ukwenza siyakwenza lapho sikhona khona. Kodwa nje into ebaluleke kakhulu, akuliwe lelizwe lelizwe lomkhulu lokhokho bethu. Akuliwe, ningayiyeki lento ivele nibhayisiswe into engekho kanje. Ayikho lento yamaphoyisa. Shiya leyo nto phansi. Siyabonga.